What's up, my crypto legends? In this episode, we're taking a look at Bitcoin on the daily. You might have seen in a lot of places this potential double bottom scenario, and that we're going to break the neckline and come all the way up to above $58,000, which would be the target from this double bottom. I just want to remind you that we do have heavy resistance. We need to be very cautious with fake outs in between $46,000 and $48,000. In the immediate short term, we could have a severe pullback at that range. And I'm going to explain also that right over here, I did short this range yesterday on the live stream. I was targeting the $42,800 to get liquidity below this low. I did take profits around about $43,000. Now, I want to explain to you here in this episode how we could come as low as $41,000 or even $40,000 in the next couple of days and then have a big massive pump, guys, because I'm going to go here with Elliott wave theory being this the fourth wave, and we have still a fifth wave to break $46,000. So make sure to stay tuned in this episode. Hi there, Andy here. Welcome back to another episode of Bitcoinsensus. New to the channel, make sure to subscribe. Daily TA on Bitcoin crypto, also do live streams to connect with the community. Not finance advisor. Don't buy or sell anything that I say. If you do so, do your own research. Quick reminder, this video gets over 1,000 likes and you comment down below, you are eligible for a giveaway in Bitcoin. Right, just for any new subscribers, I just want to remind you what I am looking at here for the Bitcoin price. I do see a potential trend reversal happening with this slightly higher low and also this slightly higher high. And I have a potential target here for the next coming days in between $46,000 and $48,000, where we are going to see a lot of resistance. Why are we seeing resistance? Because we do have this massive support that we did create back here in December and part of January. We also have a big spike on the VPVR, so that is going to be a major level to break. We've also got the resistance from this ascending channel that we have created, as you can see, from these higher highs trend line, and we also have the bearish Gartley that we were talking about since we created this low over here, right? We've got this bearish Gartley. This means that if we do arrive to round about that $48,000, we potentially are going to get heavily rejected. This is a potential short opportunity. We'll analyze the situation once we hit those levels. Now, let's take a look here, a quick look at what is going on for Bitcoin, because we did get that correction. Let me just jump in here on the 30-minute chart. Yesterday on the live stream, we were taking a look for potential shorting opportunities. Now, you know the deal. Bitcoin likes to get liquidity from a high or from a low. In this case, we did get the liquidity from this high. Where's the next liquidity grab? Well, just below this $42,900 range over here. We did almost slightly hit it. This, by the looks of the price action, we could still have that wick to the downside, as you can see. And then potentially, consolidate, continue down and consolidate, and then have a massive continuation to the upside. Now, we were well alerted by this potential correction on BTC after having these wicks to the upside, because you can see they are massive bearish divergence. This is on the 30-minute chart, but you can take a look at the 1 hourly, the 2 hourly, very similar. And you can see that you were creating high highs on the price action, aggressive lower highs on the RSI. And now you are seeing those bearish divergence playing out, where you are seeing some slightly sideways action and to the downside. Now, what I want to show you right over here is a little bit of Elliott wave theory. Okay, now you know the deal. We can see a lot of people, I have seen it on Twitter. I'm not too active on YouTube on other YouTubers, but I am pretty sure they are talking about this double bottom. We have a massive neckline here. As soon as we break it, we are going to fly and go to much higher levels. And this is a really critical range, guys. Now, this could happen that we do have a massive pump and breakout. But if we have small pumps right over here in consolidations, this is an area that we need to be very cautious, like I showed you on the daily chart. Okay, this area over here above 46 and all the way up to about $48,000, because if we do not have really bullish price action, we could have a big massive retracement from this range. As a potential fake out. For the experienced traders down below on Bybit, I've got an insane bonus of up to $4,100 depending on what you deposit, and a 30% trading fee discount. And on Prime XBT, you can get up to $7,000 worth of bonus. You get 7% added to your deposit, guys. I am getting a small commission on this, and you are getting the best bonus available. I have full video tutorials down below in the description for these trading platforms. Now, what I want to show you here with Elliott wave theory, we don't need VPVR. Let me just get this out of the way. Zoom in here on the 2 hourly chart. Now, there is a possibility that this has been obviously a local low, right? And we are starting some waves here to the upside. Now, if you follow Elliott wave theory, I'll be leaving a picture here just, so you can see exactly how the waves work. Now, first wave and second wave being the corrective wave, and the third wave is usually higher, much larger than the first wave, and also the fifth wave. Fifth wave can be the same as the first wave, or even like the third wave, or it can be a kind of a double top also. Now, what I want to explain to you here is that we are in the fourth wave, right? That we are in that corrective wave. This corrective wave can go sideways, or it can go even to the first wave. So there is a possibility that the price can come down as low as $40,000, which is the top range of this first wave, right? So as I said, fourth wave can just be sideways. Okay, we cannot go, it doesn't mean we need to go to the first wave top, but I want to just show you that potentially this is the fourth wave, meaning that there will be another fifth wave trying to attempt to break the top of the third wave, right? So fifth wave can either create a double top, or it can either absolutely smash the third wave top and slightly continue to the upside. And this is what I am looking for, guys, with the theory that I just explained from the daily, all right, for the last few days. Now, if we do have that fifth wave breaking the third wave right over here, I think that we are potentially going to get exhausted just above 46, potentially hitting 47, $48,000. And this will be the moment where we might have a potential great shorting opportunity, while the rest of the retail traders are going to be extremely bullish because we are breaking a major resistance. You have this double bottom, and at this range, you're going to see, insane amount of retail being extremely bullish, and we are the ones that are going to be very, very cautious for potential short opportunity. Now, I do think that Bitcoin can go to much higher levels in the midterm, but short term, we might see those massive big trap longs in a big aggressive correction, guys. We do not want to be those guys long in here and getting stopped out, okay, or in a massive loss underwater. So we will be analyzing the situation here. This is going to be it for this quick update, guys. Make sure to subscribe because I'll be doing a live stream afterwards. Let's try and find some scalping opportunities that we can trade on Prime XBT. Down below, you do have the best bonus available. You know the deal. Check out the Bitcoinsensus website. We have the latest technical analysis and news. As you can see here, number of NFT buyers dropped for the first time since October. So it looks like interest is going down in NFTs. Make sure to check out the article on the Bitcoinsensus website. It is down below. Thank you, guys, and I'll see you in the next one.